What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another episode on Keeping It Real with Credit. And on this episode, I'm going to be talking about an app that's going to save you the right amount of money every time, on time, right now. So what's up, everybody? Welcome back. As you know, I'm your host, Ray, from Keeping It Real with Credit. And on this episode, we're going to go ahead and talk about saving some money. Now, before that, if you're new to this channel, consider subscribing. Because on this channel, we talk everything from personal finance, tips and tricks on credit, automotive, real estate, you name it. You're going to find it right here on this channel. Now, on with the topic, saving money. Saving money with me personally has been something that's been mind-boggling. Always trying to figure out how much to save and how to save it. Now, there's a bunch of rule of thoughts out there regarding to this topic, but what bothers me the most is that if I'm always wondering if I'm really saving enough money, or could I save more, or could I save less, depending on what it is. And this is the reason why I want to introduce this awesome app for you, which is called Digit. And Digit saves your money autonomously, automatically for you. Now, with that being said, the way that it works, just so you guys can get an idea, is you sign up for this app, obviously given the link below or found right here. You sign up for this app and then you log in with your banking credentials. You pick the account that you want to go ahead and start saving from, and Digit's sophisticated algorithms are going to go ahead and look through your statements, look through your spending habits, look through your bills. It's basically going to make a profile on you as far as how you're spending your money, and based on that information, it's going to determine how much money it's going to go ahead and take and put away in an FDIC insured bank account secured for up to $250,000 with a 256-bit encryption, pretty much the same as all the banks out there. Now, Digits has a bunch of wonderful features that we're gonna go ahead and discuss later on, but one of my favorite features about this app is that you get notified via text every day what your balance is, and once it does save an amount of money for you, you get these cool little GIFs that celebrates one step closer to your saving goals. Now, moving on, some of the features, as we discussed before, goes on with automatic savings. And like I mentioned before, through this sophisticated algorithm, it knows exactly how much to save for you, and it'll never take more than what you can handle, and it'll never overdraft you. Now, with that being said, it also has some unlimited goals. You can set up your own custom goals, or you can select from one of the preset goals that it has there for you. From rainy days to emergency fund, to paying off credit card debt, to a travel adventure kind of goal that you have, to a specific date, you name it, you can customize it how you want. Once you set it up, Digit will go ahead and start saving for you without you even noticing. Now, Digit also has a 1% savings bonus. Once you are saving with Digit for more than 3 months, you start getting a kickback of a 1% saving bonus every 3 months. In addition to that, Digit has a new feature called Digit Pay that, as of right now, on the date of this video, I signed up for myself, and there's a list. But it's a list on paying, it's a feature on paying down your credit card debt. And if it does what I think it does, you're able to log in with your credentials of your credit card company. It'll scan your spending habits. It'll know when you have to make payments, and Digit automatically is gonna go ahead and set that up for you. Don't take my word for it, but it looks like that's what's gonna start doing. Now, you'll also be able to access automatic unlimited withdrawals by texting Digit. You can text withdraw. You select the amount of money, and it's gonna go ahead and kick out a withdrawal straight back into your checking account or whatever account you have selected to get it kicked back for. It also has low balance protection. Because it does monitor your checking account, it'll let you know once you're under a specific balance that you specified, and it'll go ahead and save it by taking the money that's been saving for you and kick it right back to account, saving you hundreds of dollars in fees over time. There also is no account minimum. You can start with something as little as nothing at all, and it'll start saving for you again based on your spending habits. Now, remember how I mentioned before that Digits will never overdraft you because it knows how you're spending your money. And the weird case that it does, Digit also has an overdraft protection feature, meaning if it does overdraft you for whatever reason, it'll pay the fees and kick the money right back over to your account, again saving you money in the long run. So there you have it, guys. Make sure to sign up. I've provided my personal link, sign up link, in the description, and you can find it right here. Let me know what you think of this app. The app, oh, and I did forget to say, the app is free for 30 days. After that, it is $2.99 a month. After that, to me, that's a no-brainer to pay $2.99 to literally have something or someone literally check into your account, make sure it saves you the right amount of money, maybe even pay down some credit cards or help you reach your goals. If you've used Digits before, let us know in the comments below what your experiences has been and how Digit has been able to help you reach your goals in the long run. With that being said, guys, hope you liked this video. Let me know what you think of the app. Make sure to sign up with the link, comment, like, subscribe, share with family and friends, and I'll see you in the next episode on Keeping It Real with Credit. Peace.